2, 3, 4. Day 5 of the challenge. Good work, everybody. And today is a cardio interval. So I'm going to preview a little bit of this first, just because I find that it's going to be easier. Because once we get going, cardiovascular, you need to get everything in check before you want to add speed to it. You want to get the moves down first, okay? So we're going to start with a wide squat. So instead of our knees this way, we're going to have our legs wide, knees over the toes. Activate the hips so you're almost consciously thinking of this being away from each other. We're going to go here. Then we're going to here, the music's going to start. It's okay, wait. And then we're going to do lunges first, alternating. Lunges are going to be my hip and knee are in line here. Back is up straight. And then we're going to add the hook. If you can't coordinate it, just stick with the lunges. These large muscles are going to get the heart rate up. All right, we're ready, team. Let's go. Lunges are out or squat. And this is a little bit faster. Chest is up, abs are in. Remember, we've done all of this work together so far. We're gonna put it all together. All right, you're gonna do knee pulls. So 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Now you can just do the knee pulls. We're gonna do lunge. Again, so you're alternating the legs. And now you're gonna add the hook with the same leg. Now I know that's a lot, don't freak out, you can do it. All right, we're gonna go to the beginning every time. So come back to the beginning, reset knees wide. 1, now you can add a hop here, so heel to toe. Can't see my feet, or you can stay down. And when you're low, the hips should be working. Knee pull, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. 2, 3, 4, again. And switch. Now just the lunges coming up on your left. Pause for a minute, heart rate should be climbing. Keep everything tight, back with your left. Left, right. Left. Add the hook with the arm if you choose. Hook. So nothing else is moving. All this core work is working. Let's stay here. Get comfortable. You should start to feel a little breathless here. All right, we're back to those wide knees. Add the hop if you choose. Grab a dog toy. 2, 3, 4. What do we got for time? We're down to 2 minutes. Time is flying, even though I can feel it. Remember, you can stay low. Stay in your lane. Knee pulls. Here we go. 3. The bigger the move, the greater the heart rate. Let's switch it up again. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause a minute. We're going to go into the lunges. Get your form. Back with your left. Back. So the chest is up. Protect your back. Add the hook if you choose. Good. Total body exercise. Increases the heart rate. Good job, bud. You want your heart rate to go up too. All right, we got one more time to do those deep lunges. Squat. Sorry, I keep saying this. This is squat. Jump in. Now again, if you're losing form, stay here. Stay safe. Just stay moving. 1 minute to go. Goes my team. Ready? Just stay here. Let's burn up the legs. Those large muscle groups raise the heart rate. You don't have to worry about the coordination. Deep breath. Oh. Add some freestyle. All right, maybe we'll do the lunges because I believe in you guys. We're down to the last 30 seconds. Let's stay. Woo, shake those legs out. Back with your left. Lunge. Lunge. Let's slow this baby down. You never want to stop your cardio right away. Bring the heart rate down a little bit. All right, we got 10 seconds. Inhale up. Swan dive down. Look me in the eye. I'll give you a high five. And so will Lukey. Great job, everyone. You should feel a little bit of sweat. If you didn't, you could probably go a little harder. There will be room for that in the next coming weeks. Good job, you guys.